Howdy YouTube. Today we're working on a 92 F250. The shifter was stuck and you can take it out of the part, so we are replacing our shift cylinder, which is, you can't see it right now, but it's underneath all this, and our cable, which goes down here. Alright, just keep watching and like and subscribe. Step that I almost forgot. So when you take the bottom clamshell off, you press a pick through here and then you move your ignition until you pull your ignition out. If you don't do that, then you can't drop your if you don't do that, you can't drop your steering column. The first thing you want to do is remove this. Remove that, and then you take off this little cable. If you don't do that, you can break it off. Don't want to do that. Disconnected. You just let it hang. And then you gotta get this 13 and this 13, and then let your steering column lean down. And then you can go after the Torx and a 10 on the back for your That's what we're replacing. Move these bolts also. So the problem with this is that you can't shift, right? So that's your problem. It's broken. So it won't move. So that's a brand new piece we're changing out. Just gotta take these bolts off and the bolts on the back. So you want to take these bolts out of here, this Torx and this 10, and it should loosen up that whole pipe. So you want to take this cable off. If you don't, you won't ever get it out. There we go. You want to take out these 30mm bolts. And they should come out, I think. You want to take these Torx out, the 30mm Torx, and that should make it come out. One more hidden bolt way back here. You gotta take that out. Do some gentle prying right there, and you should pop this up. Then you gotta take this to the bench, drive this pin out from the other side, change this out, put it back in, drive this pin out, put it back in the way you took it out, and that should do it. And then we're going after this cable down here in order to make sure there's no bends or anything like that done to it when this went bad. You gotta drive this pin out. See if I can just do it with the hammer here. Yep. And it pops out. Okay. And then pull this out. Then you want to take this out the rest of the way to the spring. Get that out. And you gotta replace that spring with the new piece. You gotta drive this piece out too. This out. So then the whole thing comes out, and there's a spring inside still. So you're gonna need that spring. You want to make sure you put some kind of lubricant there, like Seal Glide or bearing grease or something like that, to lube it up. Stuff that we took out, and if you can look, it's bent. And that's why this all broke out. It's probably because the shifting cable got stuck, and then they put too much force on it. There it is, it's a good shot. And now it's bent and broke the aluminum housing. And this is the stuff that we use to lube up the pins. Seal Glide, it's really good stuff. We use it for a lot of things. This is towards the bottom. You put it in like this. And then stick this in. like that with the pin. Put your stuff back together and then put it back in. After all said and done, it should work. And it does. Off the cable, lift up the carpet, follow your cable around this clip here. I think you just pry on this with a screwdriver. It should pop out and come out the top. And we'll have to work our cable out this way, I think. So, get that clip out by taking a screwdriver and a hammer and pushing up and out with it. So you want to press on these clips here and then push it in. And it just pops off the transmission there. And then we're almost done. So on your new cable, you want to measure how far this is and adjust it accordingly on your new cable. So you want to use a pair of pliers on this to squeeze your cable back on, and then you got to do some adjusting.